These two paintings are 400 years old and come from the Netherlands. Can you tell what is happening in them? I'm getting married. One painting shows me being accompanied to the church, and the other shows guests presenting me with gifts at my wedding feast.
But you're wearing a black dress, not white.
Yes. A long time ago, black fabric was very fine and valuable because dyeing it that colour was a very expensive undertaking. Black was the most festive colour along with our white collar. Brides only started wearing white dresses just recently, around 200 years ago.
Is that right?
Do you see the gifts I'm receiving?
A crib, a jug, a bowl, tongs, coins?
Yes, people are actually trying to do away with the tradition of giving money as a gift, and before long it was banned in the Netherlands entirely. If you look closely, you'll see a distinguished gentleman to my right, the village elder. He's carefully recording how much money I receive, down to the last cent. Usually, young couples were given gifts of lighter furniture and household items. Jugs, bowls, baskets, a spinning wheel, chairs, a chamber pot, or a children's potty. The dog in the painting is a symbol of loyalty.
But what about those floating crowns or headbands?
Oh yes, those are crowns of silence. You see, there was a custom at Flemish peasant weddings where the bride wasn't allowed to eat, drink, or speak. That's why I'm whispering now. I shouldn't be talking to you at all. Look, my mother-in-law is offering me food, but I'm not allowed to accept it. The crowns also protect me from misfortune, by the way.
You mean you have to stay silent your whole wedding and can't eat or drink?
That's correct. And I'm not even allowed to smile.
Unbelievable. I feel like I should laugh all afternoon for you now.
That's a good idea.